Hi, I'm Mirka Knaster, and I'm on the board of the Textile Arts Council of Fine Arts Museums, San Francisco. I'd like to invite you to join us, Alice Beasley and myself, in a conversation on August 15th, 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time. Alice is an amazing textile artist, and she uses narrative in very figurative ways in order to address social issues.
Thank you, Mirka. We'll be showing a short video by Mark Haffenreffer about the process that I go through in creating my pieces. And then Mirka and I will have a discussion in more detail about some of those pieces and about the messages that I'm trying to bring about. So I hope you'll be able to join us on August 15th.